When I first started making gaming videos, I used to add text to the video to try to create captions, but there's an easier way to do this in Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you how to add captions right now. Okay, so first you're going to click on text, then you're going to click on create captions from transcript. Then you're going to want to make your captions more engaging. So you're going to click on this drop down here, and it starts off with these settings. I like to change these settings to go ahead and make them more engaging. So instead of the 42 minimum length in characters, I'm going to drop this all the way down, and I'm going to keep this at 7. Now you can choose how fast the texts are flying by. This has this for 3 seconds. I feel like this is fast enough, so I like to keep that way. So then you get to choose how many lines of text you want. So it starts off with double. For me, I want to go ahead and change that to single, and then you're going to go ahead and create your captions. It's now created the captions for you, but they just look like plain subtitles, so you're going to want to customize these. Then you want to go ahead and highlight all these captions, and this menu is going to come up, and it's going to give you all the different options for all your styles. For me, I feel like the font that you use should match what your video is about. So this is a Fortnite gaming video, so I'm going to use a Fortnite style font. I already have my font saved here, and this is called Burbank. Now we're going to increase the size of the font, so we're going to click on this number. I'm going to go ahead and try 180. The captions are still here on the bottom, so we're going to go to zone right here, and we're going to center it. Here you can also change the color of the font, and you can add a stroke around the text, which I like to do. So I like to use the color black, and I like to increase the size of it to 8. If this caption is blocking what's happening in the video, you can go word by word and adjust it. If you want the alignment on this particular word to match the rest of the video, right here will show the exact numbers for the alignment. You can take these positions and highlight all of your text and have them match where you like them.